Let us take an image with a sales report. I'm copying this image to the clipboard. We will get this data on an Excel spreadsheet within a minute. We will use a Google Sheets add-on for this. The add-on is called Convert PDF to Google Sheets CSV Bank Statement. Open this add-on and you will see a sidebar on the right side. Choose the extract mode here. Now I can paste the image here from the clipboard. Alternatively, you can also upload the image file here directly. Now we just need to click the Extract Data button here. The extraction is in process. And here, we got the data on our spreadsheet. The layout is preserved. Let's quickly compare with the original data. It looks good. Now we just have to download the xlsx file. Open the Excel file. And here, we have the data on our Excel spreadsheet now. So we got the sales report from the image to Excel spreadsheet without any manual effort. Try the add-on for free. The link is in the description. If this was helpful, like this video, share with your network, and subscribe for more such workflows.